want to do a quick chat about our GUTTERMESH range of products. Our GUTTERMESH range is a product that's I would describe as being the standard in the industry, and they're products that the majority of people that install the screening system, they go to this type of range of which is a GUTTERMESH range, which is a great product. Our GUTTERMESH range is the highest end of the GUTTERMESH range products. Our polyethylene that we've used for 20 years is still on roofs. We then introduced ALUMINIUM, which is a 3.5mm hole, which was an equivalent to the poly, but an upgrade obviously because we went from a poly then to an ALUMINIUM, which is going to give us longer than the poly would, and it'll also it has a fire rating. And then on top of that, we then thought, well, let's find something that'll work well to filter down even further. So a product was sourced to which we now call GUTTERMESH Ember, and GUTTERMESH Ember is just a product that's an aluminium product that has a hole size of less than 2mm in size to be able to conform to, as an ember guard because it's less than 2mm. But all this product in all the GUTTERMESH range of anything that we call standard products in our industry, the ones that AGP use are at the highest end of that GUTTERMESH range or an equivalent in the industry. And we're very proud of that because we know that we've had it on roofs for, up to 20 years, and we know how long they'll last, and our warranties are, they'll see out the warranties by many years. So just a quick coverage to show the products. Going back to our polyethylene, which was our flexible Australian-made polyethylene that we've been using on roofs for 20 years. It was our flagship product. We've gone from that one to an equivalent in an aluminium, which is they're now a lot more flexible and a lot more colours than we were able to run. And then you've got our what we call our GUTTERMESH Ember, which is, as you can probably see, it's a lot smaller hole. But all of these three products in our GUTTERMESH range are, you can choose which one works best for you.